In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto brightness. Adaptive brightness, when enabled, will adjust the brightness of your screen using front camera sensors. That's because most people like it or really hate it. So whatever you wanna do, I will show you how to manage it. Start by opening settings. Now scroll to hit the display section available here. Then use this switcher next to adaptive brightness located under brightness slider to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!